Welcome to Oven Foods. Today I'm sharing an eggless coffee cake made without an oven, soft, aromatic, and perfect for tea or coffee time. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup warm milk. Add 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix until the coffee dissolves. Always use warm milk to dissolve coffee completely. Keep aside. In a bowl, add half cup curd and half cup sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Add 1/4 cup oil and mix again. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and combine well. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix gently. Mix the batter gently after adding flour. Add the coffee mixture to the batter and mix well. Grease oil in a 6-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the batter and spread chocolate chips on top. Homemade cakes let you control sugar and oil. Coffee contains antioxidants when consumed in moderation. Eggless baking suits vegetarian diets. Portion control makes cake a balanced treat. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Preheating the pan ensures even cooking. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook on medium-low heat to avoid burning the base. Coffee enhances chocolate flavor even in small amount. Stovetop baking is a popular alternative where ovens are unavailable. Cool completely before slicing. Coffee cake doesn't always contain coffee, but this one does. Eggless cakes rely on curd for moisture and softness. Your eggless coffee cake is soft, fragrant, and beautifully baked without an oven. Enjoy it fresh with a cup of coffee or tea. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Foods for more easy baking ideas.